Menteri Rambak Jylla Konrad Sangma haga arpotrik luber ulayethu Sarkar Pedeng Galamang Laispa Klur Tyngka Shushu yak Jylla Meghalaya na Capital Investment Fund hadian bagi Jylla kelala penen kampurai ke fund Balamang Hapoh ke CIF na benta arjar puar arjar fulai.
Meghalaya is one of the few states that has already utilized all the funds, and hence we had urged the government of India to give additional funds and bonus to us because we have completed and utilized those capital investment fund which was given to Meghalaya. So Meghalaya is one of the few states which has got additional funds. So after my request and after I urged government of India, we have received additional 50% of the total amount sanctioned to us. So that means we had got 600 crores in the beginning, plus minus. We are one of the few states that has finished it for 2022-23, and another 300 crores has been sanctioned to us. So we have received a bonus for it.
Habakali halor gajing kendu jungu dangshan bagi menteri Sarkar Pedeng Delhi menteri Rangba ulong bagajing le jungu kalong kumsi benta gajing le kendu hadian beladab bam smai ku menteri Rangba hakasin baar.
I felt it appropriate that I should pay a visit and meet all the concerned ministers and urge them and request them that, like they have been supporting the state government and the Meghalaya state as a whole in the past 5 years, that they continue to do that. And that is the basic discussion that we had. Of course, there were specific issues in specific ministries which we have taken up, and in fact we have got positive response, whether it's the education department regarding this UET, or whether it's regarding the capital investment fund from the finance ministry. So all those we have already got positive response, but as I said, it was not a specific issue related trip. It was more of a generic trip where we thought that we should go and say hello to him.